Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. I got an email the other day that said, my burgers are terrible. How do I fix them? So today, I'm going to show you my 5 secret, favorite, ultimate, best tips to make the most amazing burgers on your grill. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is make sure you're using the right beef. Yes, I understand everybody's trying to be a little bit leaner and healthier these days, right? But guess what? When you're making a burger, you're probably going to lose 10% of that fat, which also is moisture during the cooking process. So if you lose 10%, your 93.7 is actually going to bring you negative, making that really, really dry. But that 80-20 is still going to leave about 10% in there, retaining that moisture, that flavor, and making it delicious. Step number 1, pick the right meat. Step number 2 now is when it comes time to forming that patty, you can see right here, I've made a nice, flat, even patty. I don't want to overwork the meat. That's right, I'm not trying to turn this into a mousse. I'm trying to mix it until it is just combined. And then, as you can see, we've got that beautiful, nice, flat patty. I'm going to do that versus a patty like that, that's super thick and not as flat, because guess what? This is going to be a little bit harder to cook. This is going to cook nice and even, and guess what? We'll show you that on the grill. Now, my next tip is all about temperature. Get that grill nice and hot. I want to make sure when that burger hits the grill, it sizzles. 350 is not where I want to be. 450, 500, that's the sweet spot. And the best part, that nice high heat, when it hits the grill, you get that sizzle, and you get that beautiful crust. Step number 4, if you want the driest burgers in town, make sure you give them a good push, right? Push down on that, because guess what? When you do that, all the juices are gone. The driest burger is going to be yours. So step number 4, don't push down on your burgers. Leave them alone. And last but not least, toast your buns. No one likes a burger on a cold bun. Give it a nice toast, make it all delicious, and you'll have the best burgers on earth. Well, there you have it, the top 5 things that I think might be ruining your burgers. Now we've helped guide you through those. So the only thing left for you to decide is, what's going on here? How much cheese? Is there bacon? What about an egg? Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles? What about pepperoncinis? I don't know. That's up to you. Now, stay tuned, because coming up, I've got another amazing video, and I'm going to show you what to do if you get home and realize that sleeve of frozen burgers you have are still frozen. That's right. That video coming up next. I'm going to show you how to cook burgers from frozen and make them delicious.